Today, everyone is looking for ways to make more money. Prices keep rising, but our time is limited. The truth is, each of us already has a hidden resource, our free time. The real question is, how do we use it so it actually brings us money? Online is the simplest and most accessible way to start, without huge investments, but with real potential for growth. Let's be honest. Why don't most people make money online in their free time? They waste it endlessly scrolling social media. They believe in get-rich-quick schemes that never really work. And most importantly, they don't invest time into building valuable skills. But skills are the real key to creating stable income. So, what actually works and brings results? Here are a few proven directions. Freelancing. Design, programming, copywriting, video editing, marketing. You can sell your skills on freelance platforms or directly to clients. Content creation, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. If you're ready to consistently create content, this opens massive opportunities for monetization. Digital products, online courses, checklists, templates, even simple mobile games or NFTs. Create once and earn again and again. Investing and trading. Yes, it's also an option, but you need to fully understand the risks and never put in more than you can afford to lose. And the golden rule, dedicate at least 1 hour a day to this. It won't take over your whole life, but it will gradually bring real results. Here's the most exciting part. Earning online isn't about magic, it's about consistency. Thousands of examples prove it. Even a small hobby can turn into an extra $500 to $1,000 a month. The secret is to start with small results and then scale them up. It doesn't matter whether you edit videos, write articles, or film content. If you do it regularly and wisely, the results will follow. Now, the main thing is action. Take a sheet of paper and write down your skills or interests. Pick one direction that feels closest to you. Commit the next 30 days to a small mini project in that direction. And remember, if you start now, in just a few months, you'll thank yourself. I know this from personal experience. My closest hobby is dancing. I decided to make compilations of other dancers, and for 3 months straight, I uploaded short videos every single day, for free, without skipping a single one, and without earning a cent. Day after day, I learned from my mistakes, and by the 4th month, I was able to activate monetization and finally start making money. It really works if you're passionate enough and have the will to stay consistent. So instead of wasting your free time, turn it into an opportunity. Start today, and in just a few months, you'll see how much your life can change.